Brigitini, Master Energy Healer and founder of Brigitini's Energy School and the Back to You app. If you are watching this video right now, you probably have a calling. So let's consider if you have considered energy therapy or felt a pull to understand how healing happens beyond the physical, then this video is for you. Let's start with the simple truth. Everything is energy. Your thoughts are energy, your breath is energy, your body is energy, your emotions, all of it holds a frequency, a vibration, and movement. When that energy is flowing freely, you feel free, you feel aligned, you feel grounded, and you feel whole. But when it gets stuck due to trauma, stress, emotional suppression, or old beliefs, you start to feel unwell, whether that's physically or emotionally. You can feel disconnected, anxious. Energy therapy helps to restore the natural flow. And in sessions, we don't fix you. We simply hold space to help your energy to remember how to move again. We work with the nervous system, the chakra system, the 5 elements of nature, and the subtle body to guide your systems back to harmony. So think of it as tuning an instrument. You're not broken or shattered. You're just a little out of tune. Guided breath work, polarity yoga, simply holding sacred space. Energy therapy creates a safe container for the body and the soul to release what no longer serves. You might cry, you might laugh, you might feel heat or vibration, stillness. You might feel deeply seen, maybe for the first time in a long time. That's healing. And many people who come into this work thinking that they're too sensitive, but what I've learned over the decades is this sensitivity is a superpower. And you learn how to work with energy instead of being open. You become a channel for healing. You become the calm in the storm, the anchor in the chaos, the permission slip for others to heal. If you've been called to this path, trust that calling. It's not about being perfect or having it all figured out. It's about showing up with presence, with intention, and with heart. You are the healer you've been waiting for. And if you're ready to go deeper, I invite you to download my Back to You app. Guided meditations. This is a journey that I am going to support you, and you'll get a lot of support. Guided visualizations, meditations, energy healings. So I invite you to go down in the description and grab the links. You're not alone, and the world needs what you carry. All right? Let's do this together with love and many blessings. Tina Brigitini here. Quick minute. Let's do this. First thing, just take a nice cleansing breath. And then, ha. Ha. Good job. Okay. I'm going to have you stand. Your feet a little more than shoulder width apart. Put your arms straight out by your side. And this is a posture for the element of fire. I want you to just stand in your power and allow your fire to be stoked. Now, use this affirmation to begin your day today. I stand in my power and expect only greatness. I stand in my power and expect only greatness. And so it is. Many blessings to you. There's 1 minute to start to shift things in your life.